Someone in my last video suggested that I do videos on styling. They also mentioned color. Well, I am staying away from the color right now because I don't want to compromise my locks. I should have started this video while I was rolling my hair about 45 minutes ago. Well, I rolled my hair, but before I rolled my hair, I misted it with the water. And I put a little bit of styling mousse on it, just a little bit. And I trusted the mousse because the first time when I had my hair placed in Sisterlocks, which was March 4th, when she completed the installation, she put a little bit of mousse on my hair and rodded it. So I think that the mousse is safe for me. That's why I didn't have a problem with using just a little mousse on my hair to try to hold the curls in. Now, I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out, so we're going to find out together. As I take this out, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers and a very special thank you to those who are hanging in there with me, my old subscribers. I really appreciate you. I wouldn't have the motivation to keep doing videos if it wasn't for you. I still need other ideas for Sisterlocks because I realize that there's not too much that I can do with it. I'm noticing that as I'm taking these rollers out, that'll probably just give me body and maybe not a very significant change in my hair. But I'm liking it. Getting ready to go to church this morning. Give God some praise. Oh, yeah. So let's see what we have here. Okay. This morning, as I was rolling my hair, a thought came to mind. When was the last time you combed your hair? When was the last time you combed your hair? If you're watching this video, would you comment below and tell me when was the last time you combed your hair? If not the exact date, then around how long has it been since you actually put a comb in your hair? Whatever I have today, I'm running with it. I'm rocking this hair today and every day. You'll notice that there is a difference. And I style my hair I roll my hair going back because I like the way it drops on the sides from it being rolled back. So what are your plans for today? It's raining outside. We were supposed to have an outside event today in our town, the Taste of Orangeburg, and I always look forward to it to get some of the different foods that's offered in Orangeburg and Orangeburg County. And it's raining outside, so right now I don't know what we're going to do, where it is going to be. Ooh. You guys, I think my hair is done. And I like the look. So tell me what you thought, or what your thoughts are on rolling my hair with sponge rollers. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this gray out using this L'Oreal Magic Root Cover-Up. Just a little bit of the gray. Sister who loves her locks. Y'all have a great day and God bless you.